After the fire that occurred on May 7, 2013, and which had destroyed a large part of this beautiful mosque, the sovereign decided to finance the reconstruction of this religious building from his personal funds. We are talking here about King of Morocco. Thanks to this royal intervention, the mosque regained all its splendor and resumed its religious functions, in particular the performance of the five daily prayers. I would like also to mention that this mosque has been under a lot of restorations over the years since its building before the Saadian dynasty. So what I will do is I will show you the big difference. I will show you after the mosque has been restored and renovated, and it looks amazing and so gorgeous. No matter how much I talk about it, I would never be able to give it enough justice, to be honest with you guys. Alright, let's get into it. Today I'm going to show you one of the oldest and beautiful mosques in Morocco, and it is the Great Mosque of Taroudant. The Saadian dynasty ruled Morocco from the early 15th to the mid 16th century. It left important traces in the Sus Valley. This is the case of the tombs located on the heights which dominate Agadir, as well as in Taroudant, which it raised to the rank of cultural capital alongside Marrakech and Fez. The main testimony left by the Saadian is the Great Mosque of Taroudant, named Al-Adam in Arabic. The exact date of the construction of this place of historical culture could not be established to date. However, we know that it was renovated by the Sheikh Muhammad al-Saadi, the main founder of the Saadian dynasty. The same man who liberated Agadir from the Portuguese from Fort Agilgal-Dagert, located in the foothills of the Atlas, before being assassinated there. The mosque is able to accommodate up to 4,000 worshippers. The Al-Adam Mosque was one of the most famous universities in Morocco. It was also the biggest. It was particularly famous for its 27-meter height minaret, whose square shape was inspired by that of the Kaaba in Mecca. The Great Mosque of Taroudant, an architectural and civilizational masterpiece of the city, was not only a place of worship and literacy, as I said, but also was indeed a university establishment bringing together different literary and scientific disciplines and students from the kingdom and elsewhere, supervised by Moroccans and foreign scholars. It locates to the east of the city. This mosque is distinguished by its richly decorated mihrab, adorned with Kufi letters inside. For several centuries, this spiritual building was a source of religious, social, and political influence, particularly at the time of the Saadian dynasty, which made Taroudant the capital of its reign. The doors, the zalige, tiles, the lamps, everything is unique. The shapes. there is to be a water fountain here coming, but the water is really coming off short. It's not just in here, I think it's everywhere, so makes sense. There is like four of orange trees here, which is just amazing. Look at this piece of art. Well, I don't need to speak. No matter how or how long I'm describing this place, I will never give it enough justice. I wouldn't be able to, really. It's just amazing, gorgeous architecture. It's for relaxing and sitting there in the evening, or really any time of the day. Yeah, it's beautiful, it's quite beautiful. Yeah. And the sun is just behind it. It's midday, and it just called for the door prayer.